this is a hot topic in GI. Again, we are very worried about an increased incidence of early onset GI malignancies, not just in colorectal. Yesterday, we also heard from my colleague May Lowry in pancreatic cancer, for example. I particularly discussed the biology of early onset colorectal cancer, and it's very difficult to entangle and the reason why we are observing this increased incidence. There are several caveats in the literature. We have multiple studies, but it's very hard to compare one another. And so far, we know that from a genomic perspective, there is not a lot of difference. Similarly, from a transcriptomic perspective, there's not a lot of difference. To me, there is a lot work to do, maybe from a epigenetic perspective that might give us a little bit more explanation. But definitely what we can do now is trying to at least identify patients that had genomic reasons there and germline gene alterations, because that has, of course, an important impact on themselves and also the family. And then all specific management in managing toxicity, long-term toxicity, fertility problem in this population.